Outbreak. Dozens of COVID-19 cases at seniors' home. Now, a review of protocols. How come? Local government ministry investigating possible protocol breach that exposed nursing home residents to the coronavirus. And later, the race is on. Lisa Hanna, the first PNP presidential candidate to be nominated.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious. Also this evening, we have the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: which anti-COVID-19 measure do you find most difficult to follow? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.